Hey Smita, I heard you gifted your daughter a solo trip. That's amazing. What a unique and thoughtful gift.
Thanks, Swapna. She was so excited about it. I wanted her to have an experience she'd always remember.
That's wonderful. Planning something like this must take a good amount of financial planning too. How did you manage it?
Well, a few years ago, I started investing in multi-cap funds.
Multi-cap funds? What exactly is it?
Multi-cap funds invest a minimum of 25% each in large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. This creates a diversified portfolio that adapts to market conditions, offering both growth potential and flexibility.
That sounds like a smart way to invest. I should definitely look into it.
Absolutely. Always good to explore options and make informed decisions.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.